Nanny, can you hand me those dinosaurs?
Yeah, sure thing. Here you go.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Oh, they're so cool looking.
Hey guys, check this out.
What? Oh my goodness, he has a gun.
Yeah, I took it from my parents' house. Don't tell anyone though.
You have to call the police.
Yeah.
There's a guy with a gun. He has a blue shirt and the blue pants and the gray shirt and the gray backpack. Look, it's brown and it was like a FN57. He's walking down the street. No, he didn't. Yes, sir. Bye. Have a nice day.
Edward 10, show me at the park with the subject with the gun.
Hey guys, how you doing? Got a report of somebody with a gun in the park?
Yes, sir. He's with the gray shirt and the blue jacket and jeans and
Okay.
a gray backpack.
So it's a male with a gray shirt, gray backpack, jacket and jeans.
Yes, sir.
About how tall was he? Taller than me?
Something like that.
Okay. Did he
About
have
his height.
dark hair, light hair, no hair,
Brown hair.
brown hair? Okay. Is there anything else about him that you recognize?
That's pretty much it.
Okay. Do you know where he went? What direction did he go?
That way.
That way towards the school?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, and what's your name?
William Tunstall.
Alright, thank you guys. We're gonna go try to find him, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Edward 41, I'll be out with a white male in a backpack.
Hey sir, can I talk to you please? Okay, the reason I came up to talk to you is because we had a report of a guy with a gun in his backpack and you kind of fit the description. Do you have a gun in your backpack?
I do.
You do? Okay, can you put the backpack down for me, sir? I'm gonna take this, I'm handing this to my backpack. I'm gonna detain you right now, okay?
Alright.
Where did you get the gun from?
I got it from my parents' house.
Gun.
Why did you bring the gun to school?
Just to show my friends.
Okay. Well, I want you to understand that you can't bring guns to school. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
You didn't know that you couldn't bring guns to school? Because you may scare people about the things that are going on in the world today.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm going to put you in handcuffs and we'll talk some more about this.
Alright.
Okay.